Got dull knives or scissors? Before you throw them out and buy new ones, I strongly recommend you try this Bonlasharp knife sharpener. The brand sent me this to look at, and I'm so happy they did. Let me show you how it worked on this old dull knife and these scissors that have seen way better days. This sharpener has 5 settings: sharpen, daily prep, daily fine, bread knife, and scissors. It's a 3-step process for your basic dull knives. First, you use the sharpen setting. You put the knife in the center of the slot and pull along the blade from heel to tip. It's important that this is done smoothly without putting extra pressure on the blade. It's just a very simple pullback motion. I got a little too fancy with it at the beginning and put a few slice marks on the plastic. I don't know if there's a right number of times to do this, but I tried 10 times and felt like it could be a little sharper, so I did 10 more. Once you're done with this, you switch to the prep setting and do the same thing. I did another 10 passes here. And last, you use the daily fine setting to get all the burrs left by the sharpener off the knife. You can also use the daily prep and daily fine before each use if you want a really sharp knife every day. Check out the difference in this apple cut. First, before sharpening, and now after. It was a very big difference. I expect I could make it even sharper with a few more passes. Now let's look at these old wonky scissors. First, I switch over to the scissor setting. Resting the scissor blade on the long bevel, pull back again and again until it's sharp. Here's the before. You can see the hesitation in the cut, and the after, where there's no friction and it cuts like butter. I love when something so simple makes such a dramatic difference. I'm excited about this sharpener, and I hope you like it too.